Can you do a dance for the camera? Love it. Go stand in the kitchen where the light's better.
I'll stay right here.
You want to stay right there?
Yeah.
Hey, Griffin, are you wearing big boy underwear today?
Yeah.
Did you go pee-pee in the potty?
You always want to see?
Yeah, I want to see.
Want to see?
Okay.
See? Want to see? See? See?
Let's see. Big boy underwear in there. Cool.
Cool, huh?
Cool. What are you? Are you a cowboy?
Yeah.
Cool. What do cowboys do?
I ride on the cowboy, and then you get on the cowboy, and go like this. Yeah.
Cool.
Go on there.
Cool.
Big.
Should we say hi to baby sister with the camera?
Hi.
Hello. It's really dark, so you look a little scary.
You're right.
It's too dark in here.
Scary
baby.